my last video, I cured 1,000 blind people, but I now realize that was super lame, which is exactly why today I'm going to blind 1,000 people. So as you know, me and Mark Ruber started a charity to save the ocean, but that simply doesn't fix everything, which is exactly why I kidnapped this litterer. Where am I?
Did it feel good? Polluting the ocean, littering on your planet.
It was just a water bottle.
You make me sick.
Now, because it was a water bottle, I have this challenge for him. If you can land this bottle flip, I'll let you go. And if I fail, will you kill me? No, Darren. I'm not a psychopath. But I will kill your best friend.
You're gonna want to flip that bottle now.
Whoa! Yeah, baby! Congratulations. Now, you can leave with your best friend alive, or you can risk it all for this iPhone 4. An iPhone?
Yeah.
I think I gotta do it, man. I mean, like, I've been looking to upgrade my phone, you know? So, like, I've just gotta go with my gut on this one. So how are you feeling after the loss? He was my best friend. I don't know how I can move on. Oh, well now you're making me want to cry. Wait, so I get to go, right? No, you still littered. I got a bunch of people to play children games for $40 million. But if you lose one of the games, you die.
You're joking, right?
I am 100% serious.
Jimmy.
We thought you were kidding. Jesus Christ, Jimmy! Remember, removing your mask is against the rules. You killed Carl! Yeah, I did. And if you thought that was crazy, you're gonna want to watch until the end, because it gets even crazier. So here are the rules for the first game. You need to cut out the shape in the cookie without breaking it. And you'll have to do it with this needle. While they do that, I'm gonna tell you about today's sponsor, Honey. If you're looking to buy some human organs off the black market and you want the cheapest deals, then you need Honey. Okay, this is ridiculous. So far, barely anyone has gotten out yet, so I'm gonna need to spice it up a bit. You now have 10 seconds! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bruh.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be flying out 10 random subscribers to compete in one of the next challenges. Goodbye. Mr. Beast.
Today, I'm going to be curing someone with total blindness. We will be using a new artificial lens that will give this person sight for the first time. I'm very excited. Remove the swabs. eyes are a bit sore. Ugh. We can check back on him later. We still have a lot of filming to do. Carl! Come here! Take the surgeon and get B-roll in the rooms down the hall. I need to film the intro.
Okay, Jimmy.
Okay, we just needed to sign a couple of release forms to be in the video. All pretty standard stuff. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. This whole experience has been very emotional for me.
Please sign here! Are you sure everything's okay?
Hi, sweetheart. How are you feeling? This has all been such a blessing. And your eyes being healed. The producer said that Mr. Beast might even give us a cash gift. He's so generous with his wealth. Truly an angel to our lives. Don't you agree? He's a blessing. Don't you agree, sweetheart? Isn't he a beautiful soul? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Honey, what's wrong? Get out! Just leave me alone! Leave me alone! Here, have $10,000. Is he up? Is he able to see? Okay, get the cameras ready. I think there's something wrong. He doesn't seem like himself. Hey! Open the door! He locked the door. God damn it. Sweetheart, are you okay? Subscribe to Mr. Beast! Subscribe! Subscribe to Mr. Beast!
Whoa! We have to film him!
He's an angel, sweetheart. He will give us more than we could ever need.
Oh, Jimmy, look, I'm getting a shot for you. Look at this.
Subscribe to Mr. Beast. Yes.
I want you to have $50,000. Take it. Also a Tesla. Don't forget about the Tesla. I know how much you need a car to life. Oh, this is premium content. Yes. Oh, see the truth. See the beauty I have given you. Here, get a shot of his eyes.
Oh my God! I don't want this gift. I don't want to see. I don't want to subscribe. Please don't make me. Here, take the picture for the thumbnail. Please don't give me any more. Please. Did you get it?
I don't want this. I don't know. It looks kind of weird, man. I don't know.
It's fine. We'll just upscale it with AI or something. We'll be fine. Let's go.
Today, I just bought my most terminally ill fan his replacement heart.
Oh my God. Is that Mr. Beast?
This kid looks sick as heck, dude.
Bruh.
Do you want a heart to save your life? Or do you want a Mr. Beast wrap Tesla?
I would literally kill myself for a Tesla.
Good boy.
Now, you have to search these 100 coolers filled with human hearts to find the Tesla key. Man, I wish I was terminally ill. Your boy be driving a Ford Explorer.
Bruh.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if this guy should be doing this. He looks really sick, Jimmy.
Man, I'm looking to play some Among Us with my boys.
Nope.
All right, dying guy, you got about 20 more seconds to find the key.
Oh, what seems to be going on in here? Oh my God, it's Mr. Beast! Oh, I've been a fan since 1 million subs. Oh man, this is awesome.
Always great to hear. Here's $5,000, and we just planted 2,000 trees outside of Liberty, Missouri in your name. Thanks for being a fan. Bye-bye. I got it. I got the Tesla key. Congrats on your new car. Now, unfortunately, you won't be able to get a new heart, and you're still on track to die in about 2 weeks. But don't worry. We will be planting 2,000 trees outside of Liberty, Missouri in your name. Also, we'll be planting 1,000 trees for every million views this video gets. So please share, like, and comment, and rewatch this so we can keep this brave man's legacy alive.
Well, I have a donor coming out of state to bring me a new heart in a few days, so I think I should recover okay.
Bruh.
Today, I just bought this entire hospital.
Wait, what? So, how do you feel? Wow. Well, that's one down. Only 9,999 to go. Just to make the best video possible. I hunted 100 people! Would you rather eat your own dog or have sex with your dad? I recreated the human centipede with a bunch of YouTubers. I killed every blue whale. I overthrew the Bolivian government. He was just a child.
Kid should have thought of that before crossing the circle.
Losers ought to be burned with the other bodies!
You got a problem with the rules? Take it up with the boss.
Come to celebrate. Biggest in the world. Jimmy, was all of this necessary? Was Carl necessary? Jimmy? No one's doing it like we are, Chris. That's what's necessary. What?
So Mr. Beast just went crazy, but here's why it's actually genius. Thanks to Murder, Beast's channel has skyrocketed, but so have others. Dozens have already begun replicating what we've dubbed the Murder Formula.
I hunted every sperm whale on Earth!
So today, me and my friends recreated Human Centipede 2! Ah! So with everyone's quick success, what will Mr. Beast do next to keep his leg up?
Jimmy? Jimmy, what now? I know. Huh? Huh?
Nice.
I just became the biggest YouTuber on Earth. Now, originally, I was gonna sacrifice a bunch of virgins in the name of YouTube. But that wasn't good enough. That wasn't big enough. Which is exactly why I bought the moon. Don't ask me how. And I'm gonna crash it into the earth, killing everyone on this planet. And while that happens, I'm gonna tell you about today's sponsor. Shut it off. Now. No. Shut it off! Shut it off! Shut it off! Jimmy. Carl. I can't stop it, Carl. It was the only way.